Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Google Photos across devices in 2026. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Now, click the Settings icon to review your Google Photos settings. Here you can check options like your backup quality and other preferences. Before we continue, it's important to know that Google Photos syncing is set up through the Google Photos app on your phone. To sync new photos across your devices, you'll need to open the Google Photos app on your phone, sign in with the same Google account, and turn on backup. Once backup is enabled on your phone, all of your backed up photos and videos will automatically appear here on your computer whenever you sign in with the same Google account. Back on the computer, simply open the Photos page to view your synced photos and videos. You can access them anytime from any computer using the same Google account. If you don't see your latest photos, make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account, check your internet connection, and refresh the page. That's it. You've successfully learned how Google Photos syncs across devices in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.